got a hawk eating a bird. How do you zoom it, Aaron?
I think it's pinch. Pinch. Pinch and open.
See a bird eating the other bird? Yeah. Fucking hawk or eagle eating a bird. Yo, that ain't no bird it's eating.
What is that?
Huh?
That's a bird.
You know what that is?
What is that?
That's a falcon, my nigga. Look at the eyes, look at the beak, how it's turned in. You know what it's eating?
What?
A seagull. That's a big fucking bird. Look at the wing. See the big white wing?
Yeah.
That nigga's no joke. That's what you call a carnivore. You know he could attack me too, right?
Yeah.
He caught a seagull eating a bigger bird. No, it's a falcon. It's a falcon. It's a falcon.
Oh, falcon. I thought it was an eagle. Yeah, not even falcon. Oh, he's eating a bird?
He's eating a seagull.
Oh, poor seagull. Oh, you serious? Oh. Poor seagull.
De la grande, yes, big one, big white one.
I've never seen that in my life.
I mean, not a falcon. That is a hawk. They're bigger. The falcons are smaller. You can tell by the nose and where it's arrowed and the eyes pointy.
If it would have been an eagle, it would have been bigger.
Bigger. Yeah, the wingspan is like 6 feet.
Well, you know what? I've never seen this in my life. In 35 years I've lived. Never seen a hawk.
Me neither.